Let us see what are satellites now. Okay, so we know that planets move around the sun, right? We have studied that there are 8 planets, and all these planets, they keep moving around the sun in a specific elliptical path which is known as orbit. Okay, so there's a specific path that they follow, and they keep moving around the sun in their orbit. Now satellites are heavenly bodies that move around the planets in their orbits. Just as the planets move around the sun, satellites, they move around the planets. Most planets have their own satellites. Just as the planets, they keep moving around the sun in a specific path, right, in an orbit, in the same way satellites move around the planets. They are heavenly bodies that move around the planets. Most planets, they have their own satellites. Okay, then moon. Now what is moon? Moon is the natural satellite of earth. Okay, satellites which keep moving around the planets, they can be natural or man-made. Okay, there are many satellites that man has made and left it in the space. So these satellites, they keep moving around the planet in a specific path which is known as the orbit. So satellites can be natural and they can be man-made. So moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It rotates around the own axis. It rotates around its own axis. We all know that earth rotates around its own axis, right? Rotates means it moves around its own axis. There's a specific axis and it keeps moving or rotating around its axis. So in the same way, moon also rotates around its axis and it revolves around the earth. Okay, it revolves around the earth. So it rotates around its axis and revolves around the earth. Then no, it does not have light of its own. Okay, the moon, it does not have the light of its own. Then how does it glow or shine? That is because of the sun's light. When the light of the sun falls on the moon, it glows. Okay, or it shines. So what makes the moon shine? The sunlight. So we have seen the phases of moon, right? If you see the moon in the sky, some days the moon is full, some day the moon is half, some days it's crescent, right? So what are these phases? These phases of the moon are because of the sunlight falling on the moon. So it depends how much light of the sun falls on the moon. The day which the sunlight does not fall on the moon, you will not be able to see the moon in the sky, right? So that is the no moon day, right? There's no moon in the sky. That means the moon is not visible. So the visibility of the moon depends on the sunlight. When the light of the sun falls on the moon, we can see the moon, and that into different phases depending on how much light of the sun falls on the moon. Okay, so the moon is the natural satellite of earth. Then it rotates around its axis and it revolves around the earth. It has no light of its own and it reflects the sunlight, which makes it shine or glow.